It's January, it's the first of the year. You may have received a bonus check or a bump up in your paycheck. I want you to be careful and not make the assumption that the check was your bonus. Make sure that's labeled correctly and it clearly identifies the bonus. The reason why is that I encounter this situation this time of the year with my employment law clients because they often are receiving paychecks or extra bonuses by mistake. And when employers make a payroll mistake and they pay employees more money than they intended, they often turn the table around and accuse the employee of stealing or being dishonest. I know what you're thinking, and you would think, hey, it's unfair to blame the employee for stealing or being dishonest when it's the employer that made the mistake. Well, true and false. If you received a check and that you didn't deserve, didn't intend to receive, or the check was a larger amount than you assume you would receive, double check, because if that money was not a bonus, it was just a mistake, always be suspicious. You need to contact payroll right away, notify your supervisor in writing so that there's a record that you notify them of the extra payment. And if you end up keeping it, at least you were honest about it and your employer did not make a big deal about it at the time, and they allow you to keep the check. So they're really responsible. But it's really important, if you want to keep your job and you want to protect it, to double check every time you receive a check that's larger than normal. Don't assume that you can keep it, and don't assume that people in payroll are always competent about cutting out checks in the correct amount. Okay, back to work.